What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek construction update. And hopefully there's been some progress and we're going to see some more testing. Self-service ticketing kiosk over there, still under construction. Hopefully new machines, they still have the ones over here off to the left. Yep, right on through. And we are on our way. It's a hot one today. Still somewhere in the low 90s, but not as much humidity, which is much appreciated. Well, this is kind of nice. For being a pass member, you get different rewards, and one of them this month is a pin with a pink chicken. Yeah. Sky Tower. Let's take a ride, shall we? Sky Tower, and it's operational, even though the cables are slapping a bit. Gonna want to get on this right now because it might shut down. Another thing that's operational, my fountain. Yay!
Safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. Across the globe, taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7 To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Download the SeaWorld app or stop by the guest information counter located near the park's front entrance. We hope that you have enjoyed.
And there's Penguin Trek. Generally, it's been running sometime after 5 p.m. in the afternoon. And it's, well, 5:05. So we'll see what happens. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. We now have an entry sign for Penguin Trek. Just was installed. Well, that was awesome seeing the tuxedo birds. Now we're heading into the gift shop. And guess what? We've got Penguin Trek stuff. And there we have it. First bits of merchandise for Penguin Trek. So they have lanyards, pass holders right there, coffee mugs, and look inside the coffee mug. Look at all the penguins. Excuse me, tuxedo birds. Shot glasses, and they have the same thing inside. Hats over here. And a t-shirt. Don't see anything on the back. Yeah, there you go, Penguin Trek. And another hat right over here. In fact, I actually like that one a little bit more. Well, this is kind of neat. We have the 60th popcorn bucket here on the left and a drink cup on the right. And they light up and they're color changing. Here's Kraken. Not in operation because it closed down at 5 p.m. Park is open until 7, but yeah, closes a little early, 2 hours early. We used to have some barricades over here blocking the painting, but they're gone now, and it looks like it has a little bit of a touch-up. Journey to Atlantis. Right now, currently showing an 80-minute wait. What? I don't know about that one. No, that looks like a full queue. So yeah, 80 minutes for Journey to Atlantis. Ouch. Alright, well, looks like a front seat and a back seat is empty, so I bet somebody's ridden.
How many do you have left? None? I win. Careful, yeah.
It is the best part of the day. Pink chicken time. Yes. Why are you guys eating my camera? Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Trek. Luckily we saw a couple test runs. It was very sporadic though, and did notice that they had a couple test dummies out of the train. So I'm thinking somebody from B&M is probably taking a ride right now. As far as an opening, we can only hope that it's going to be within the next couple weeks, and hopefully we also get an announcement officially from the park for when that's going to be. We'll have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.